In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight in Agoda without passport. If you don't have your passport handy right now, you can still secure your ticket on Agoda and add the passport information later directly with the airline during online check-in. The key is to make sure your traveler details match exactly what will appear on your passport when you receive it. Start by logging into your Agoda account so your traveler profiles, save payment methods, and confirmations are all in one place. Once you're in, head to the flight section. This is where you'll search and book just like you would on any flight comparison site. Enter your origin, destination, and travel dates, then search. Take a moment to compare options carefully. Look at total travel time, connection lengths, baggage allowances, and fare conditions like changes or refunds. When you find the itinerary that fits your plans and budget, select it to move to the traveler information page. On the passenger details screen, type each traveler's full name exactly as it appears or will appear on the passport, including any middle names if they're shown on the document. Add date of birth and contact details. For most international bookings, Agoda won't require a passport number at this stage. That's normal, and it's why you can complete the booking without the passport in hand. Accuracy matters here. Tiny mismatches in names or birth dates can cause issues later, so double check spelling and order of names before proceeding. Next, review everything before you pay. Confirm the flight times, airports, baggage rules, traveler names, and your contact information. Check the currency and total price, and note any optional add-ons like seats, insurance, or extra bags. If you don't need those now, you can usually skip them. Complete the payment using your preferred method and wait for the on-screen confirmation. After your booking is issued, Agoda will send a confirmation email. In that email, look for the airline booking reference, also called the PNR. It's a 6-character code made up of letters and numbers. Keep that code handy, it's what you'll use with the airline. When online check-in opens, typically 24 to 48 hours before departure, go to the official airline website. Choose check-in or manage booking, enter your last name and the PNR, and you'll be prompted to enter your actual passport details. Add them exactly as printed, then continue with seat selection or baggage if you like. There's no extra fee just to add passport information during check-in. And that's it. You've booked on Agoda without a passport and completed the required document entry directly with the airline when the check-in window opens. Safe travels.